Incoming transmission. Incoming transmission.
Incoming transmission. Incoming transmission. Data connection established.
Hello guys. Welcome to Codersclan. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. In this video I'm gonna show you how to code leap year identifier using nested if-else by Python. First of all, I wanna give you an idea of leap year. A leap year is an year which comes after every 4 years, in which the total count of the days become 366, instead of 365, and the extra day is added to the month February. So in this video we gonna code a program, which will identify that, whether an year is a leap year or not. So without wasting the time, let's start the code. Done, this was the code. Let's check whether it works or not. That's all for today. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please do like and share the video, and also please subscribe the channel, so that you can view my all videos. Goodbye.